Imagine that you're driving, let's say, in the left lane. And of course, when you're driving in the left lane, you're going how many miles over the speed limit? 5, 10, somebody just said 20. Okay, got it. Awesome. All right. Staying out of your lane. Fantastic. So imagine that you're driving in the left lane, and obviously you have somewhere to go because you'd be in the left lane, and all of a sudden, coming up, you see this. Going slower in the left lane as opposed to being in the right lane where everybody that goes slow always knows to go, right? Everybody's in there? Awesome. So now, by law, what are we legally allowed to do to let this kind person know that we would like them to eventually move over into the right lane so that we may pass them? What is one thing by law we're allowed to do? Okay, somebody said honk the, no, hold on a second, easy, take it easy. Someone said honk the horn, right, got it. I'm from Jersey, and I guess you might be from Jersey, New York. Okay, how many of you, by law, know that you're allowed to flash your brights? I just want to be clear. Okay, awesome, okay. That's when you get pulled over. So, you flash your brights, but here's the thing, the person doesn't move over. Now, some people automatically think, well, I'm going to pass them on the right-hand side. But by law, if you pass on the right-hand side, that's what's happening. You're getting a ticket. You're getting pulled over, okay? So, what do? We flash our brights, okay? What else do we do? Is that pretty accurate how some of you guys are when you're driving? Or did somebody just say to themselves, you're almost close enough? Okay, and then how many of you do this? Not like the one-handed word, but the CPR. Like, show me how you would do it. You have your hands like this, or like, like that. That's you? Okay, this morning? Oh, that makes sense. She said she's from New York, that makes sense. I actually teach at the Bright Horizons preschool at the Meditations every Wednesday morning. So I leave my house in Jersey at 8 a.m. It takes me an hour 45 minutes to get like 15, 20 miles. I have no idea how that works, but that's exactly it. You have to be literally driving on your horn, going like this with the foot up, and of course makeup and texting, all the important stuff. You know, so I appreciate that. So here's the problem. We want this person, the goal, because we're going to talk about human behavior. Because I'm assuming most of your kids are human. Okay, some of you are like, if I shave that kid's head, I'm going to see some upside down nines on that. I'm not going wrong. Okay, so what happens if we honk our horn, we tailgate, and then we flash our brights because we want this person to move over? Okay, well, that's my question. Okay, she's already had me. She's been to this program. What happens if you're that person in the left lane, and let's say you're just having a bad day. Something happened in the morning, somebody cut you off, you put a little bit too much milk in your coffee or tea or whatever, and your day is just shot. Okay? And all of a sudden, behind you, somebody comes up and they flash their brights, and they tailgate you, and they honk their horn. What do? Slow down! How long did it take you to decide to slow down? Was it like, well, let me think what's going on with their day, or you're just slow down, right? Okay, so here's my question. Why is it that we have behaviors that we want other people to do, but we do X, Y, and Z to get them to do it, but all of a sudden, if someone wants us to do that behavior, we respond completely different? Does that make sense?